So today is going to be the मेहंदी day and ये मैडम तो already तैयार बैठी हुई है almost थोड़ी बहुत.
I was just out with my friends.
So was I, but not with friends. I was just basically out. लेकिन आज देखते हैं क्या सीन होता है. I've already decided on a green dress which I'm going to be wearing, dark green. Heels तो नहीं पहन रही तुम? Heels पहन रही हो? Bro, मेहंदीज में heels are very off वैसे. Just think about it. मैं तो क्या? You have to. I'm going to think of a way that I can find like a matching khussa with my dress. Although मेरा dress इतना प्यारा है, I don't want to wear heels with it.
वाले खुस्से.
Red वाले खुस्से with the green dress? नहीं भाई.
है.
तो?
तो it's called color contrasting.
No, I'm not doing color contrasting. या तो matching या nothing. तो बस अब वही देखते हैं कि nothing means नंगे पैर में नंगे पैर नहीं जा रही. But anyway, let's see कि आज क्या scene होता है. The whole day has literally been like a whoosh 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 because I had to get up, I had to go someplace. काम करवाना था कुछ, वो काम करवा के वापस अब जाके आई. थोड़ी देर में मैंने फिर तैयार होने की वीडियो भी शूट करनी है. Thinking about that क्या? तैयार होके मैंने वीडियो भी शूट करनी है. And I have to make that work out as well. Hi, और अभी भी आज के बाद भी there are 2 more events that are left. 2 more events that are left. Boo boo. 2 और events अभी बचते हैं. Imagine. So शादी सीजन तो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा. Literally next year शुरू हो जाएगा पता है. 2022 शुरू हो जाएगा. Don't touch me with your cold feet.
मैं 20 years की हो जाऊंगी.
2 months में तुम
20 years की हो जाऊंगी.
20 years की
I'll be
होगे.
20 years old.
It doesn't make
I still
any
look-
difference unless you're married. You're 18, you're 20, you're 22, or you're turning 26. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter unless.
You are lying. You're 32.
अरे हाँ सॉरी मेरे बच्चे भी तो थे. हाय तुमने बता दिया इनको. अब क्या होगा. अब जो मेरे बच्चे भी छुपे हुए हैं मुझे उनको दिखाने पड़ेंगे. डैम. अब मेरे बच्चों से मिले नहीं मिले. डैम. Baby, Boo, they've not met my kids either. Even my husband, even I've not met him. Acha khair, so even if you're turning 26 or you're turning 20, doesn't make any difference until and unless you get married. दिख रहा है ना तुम्हें पता है ना दिख रहा है. So we just put on nail polish and we're doing the nail polish सुखाने वाला dance. We're like, do you guys do this too, by the way? The nail polish that I've used today is this one.
And I've used this.
Yes, hers is haram. Mine is halal. And yes, because everyone keeps asking me every day, bro. They're like, आप रोज nail polish लगाए हुए होते हैं, आप नमाज नहीं पढ़ती.
Halal nail polishes are not halal, by the way.
Yeah, I don't think any
Then
nail
this
polish
is not
is ever
halal.
halal. This is just like a marketing tactic, naming something 786. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, halal nail polish. Huh? 786 is the wordings for, like the numericals for Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, na? Do you not know that? Yeah, so that's what it is.
I didn't think it would be that.
It is that. It is. अगर किसी भी चीज पे आप कुछ religious डाल दो, then it's like halal. No, but it can be breathable nail polish. ऐसे भी नहीं. मैं तो मजाक कर रही हूँ. You guys know me.
हमें क्या पता?
But हमें नहीं पता. We really don't know. So I wouldn't be like, oh, मैं halal nail polish लगाती हूँ. हाँ भाई मैं nail polish लगाती हूँ.
मैं भी.
But this time it's halal.
मैं भी halal.
वो भी halal है. Although है
मैं
नहीं.
halal हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा.
Although है नहीं halal, but चलो let's say. Sorry. The dress that I'm going to be wearing to the mehendi, it is so beautiful. I love this bit. So pretty. Oh Allah. Look at this as well. इसका गला कितना प्यारा है man. I'm actually in love with it. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing. But I do not have matching shoes with this. That's the bad part. Hello. By the way, I'm just here to let you guys know कि मैं तैयार हो चुकी हूँ. And guess what? I also shot this look for you guys. Although इस दफ़ा भी वीडियो काफ़ी गूंगी थी because I just wanted to enjoy doing the makeup. तो मैंने पीछे से म्यूज़िक लगाया. And I started getting ready. So this is the look for today. That is what the hair looks like. I love the back of this dress. It's so pretty. And even the dupatta, I to die for. Like this is a beautiful dress. You know, like pura proper pyara wala. This is that. And I like how my hair look as well. Although मुझे इतना बड़ा मुंह वाली चीज़ अभी भी है कि I did not want to tie them. लेकिन इस लुक के साथ बाल बंदी अच्छे लग रहे थे, so I did it. So now I'm finally ready. Just waiting for the Kareem to come so that me and Dadi can leave finally. But I love how the look looks, man. It looks so mehndi-ish, so proper mehndi-ish. I did everything, but I forgot to put on my perfume. जिससे मुझे याद आया, there is. मैंने डाल लिया है. जिससे मुझे याद आया, I've also uploaded a perfume related video for you guys on my main channel, which you have to check out. Also, if you're a bride looking to make your bridal perfume kit, you have a lot of options in that. Sorry, because my house is going crazy, because this is what happens when you're going to a wedding or something that everybody is going to be screaming, so everybody is screaming. Kareem is here and we're going to sit in it, and I'll catch you guys at the event now. Bye bye. Here at the, what is this? Yes, I'm finally here at the Mehndi and I'll show you guys what's going on. So the speaker, guys, I'll catch you in a bit.
Please get on the dance floor right now with 100 feet.
Can't meet them right now because they're too far. They are some of my favorite people in this dance right now, especially Maida Bhabi and Sabi Bhabi. Sana? Maida Bhabi and Sana. अब सारे dances हम साथ साथ ही देखेंगे. Let's see what happens. I won't be shooting a lot of the dances because you know copyright strike stuff. So I'll enjoy this bit. Okay, fine. Who I just met, you're gonna love her.
Alright, let's get back to Team Usman. Our next song is Jalebi Baby on the dance floor now.
We have a lot of good food here, guys. I literally can't vlog anything because there's music in the background. But I have to tell you, the food is so nice today. I was craving them too much right here. Bandra is Katakat. For Lahoris, it's Katakat. For Karachi people, it's Katakat. Yummy. अब बस हम लोग यहाँ बैठ के performances देख रहे हैं, pictures वगैरह ले रहे हैं, just like any other wedding. And once again, Sabi bhai is in the background. Okay, so now the news is this कि अभी RDB आने लगा है. And we're going to have like an RDB live performance happening, and I will show you guys कि अब उसमें क्या हो रहा है. Come closer. Now I'm with the crew, finally. What?
If my husband is not like this when I'm 70 years old.
They're not 70, guys. So her husband has to be like this. जिसका dance करे. Mine too वैसे. Zobia? बैठे हुए थे. RBD आ रहा है, सही है? According to Neha, RBD is coming. RBD. Aloo Chaat. What do you think is going to be their first song? Should be Aloo Chaat. Should be Aloo Chaat. Now RDB is going to start its own thing.
सारी तैयारी हो गई है. ठीक है भाई, तुम लोग जीते हो. बस दोस्ती 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 दोस्ती.
यहाँ ये फटे चल रहे कि लड़की वाले जीते हैं.
All right, everybody, without any further ado, please allow me to introduce on the stage the Permanent King. Check. The real Munch Music, the main vocalist of RDB. on the count of 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Everybody make some noise! Mashallah, you guys look beautiful. God bless you guys. Okay, is everyone ready to party tonight?
Oh yeah!
This side seems to be louder than this side. Well, they are. Make us subde lag this again. Let's tell everybody on this side after the count of 3. Hold on. I have command, I haven't started yet. 1 second. After the count of 3. 1, 2, 3! You want to try your side now?
Yeah, oh, they're gonna win for sure. I'm telling you that for sure.
They basically will do
Make some noise!
Bella, I want everybody to join in with me and sing along with me.
मैंने नहीं लगता किसी ने पाया
पिंक पर्पल या लाल ladies, ho 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 ho, guys, ho 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 ho. Alright, let's start the song and let's do it. Let's go!
Everybody hands up in there. Hazuman. Everybody, Hazuman.
Okay, let's go.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Everybody. That's not enough, eh? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, remember this. And I'm going to count to 3 on the song. Let's go. Wait. After the count of 3.
So I'm grabbing
But it's time for me and Dadi to leave and for the concert to end. And after sitting in the car, I was just randomly obsessing over my look from today because I had never tried this color before and neither had I tried these eyes isse pehle, so I was definitely in love with it. I'm finally back home now and the event was super good because I personally love RDB. Like, he's my favorite. You know, any Punjabi bhangra type of a situation, I'm just going to be going crazy. Like, you just saw that I was going crazy. Khair, ab I'm finally back home. Time to just get done with all of this makeup, take it off and come back into my cozy setting because now I know I just want to sleep. Abhi tak kaano mein bing ki awaaz baj rahi hai because I was literally in the front. Did you see I was literally in the front? It was so much fun. Oh my god, I wish I could have made like a story with them or something stage pe chad ke hi. But then no, bahut zyada ho jata, so I didn't. Anyway, I really wanted to though, but I didn't. Khair, I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. But anyway, if you guys enjoyed this vlog, do not forget to give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye bye.